Welcome to Maestro Sersea's American English, Culture, and Travel podcast. Each podcast episode is dedicated to sharing lessons and insights into learning American English, understanding American culture, values, and norms, as well as virtually traveling to key destinations throughout the United States of America as a whole. In today's episode, we will cover the following two parts. 1. Speak America, talking about weather. 2. Discover America, the complete road trip and travel guide, Hawaii. Lesson 11. Talking about weather. A cornerstone of American conversation. Part 1. Dialogue. Dialogue. Neighbor 1. Can you believe this heat? It must be 95 degrees out there. Neighbor 2. I know, and the humidity makes it feel even worse. Neighbor 1. They're saying there might be thunderstorms tonight. Neighbor 2. Oh, that might actually cool things down a bit. Neighbor 1. True. I hope so. My garden really needs the rain. Neighbor 2. Are you staying in this weekend because of the weather? Neighbor 1. Probably. Not much fun to be outside in this heat. Part 2. Mini Guidance Article. Mini Guidance Article. Weather Vocabulary and Culture in the USA. Weather is the most universally acceptable small talk topic in the United States. From casual conversations at the grocery store to office chitchat, talking about weather is a safe, friendly way to connect with people. It's often said that if you don't know what to say to an American, mention the weather. The USA uses the Fahrenheit scale for temperature, not Celsius. Key benchmarks: 32 degrees Fahrenheit equals freezing, 70 degrees Fahrenheit equals comfortable/warm, 95 degrees Fahrenheit equals very hot. To convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, multiply by 9/5 and add 32. Weather forecasts on TV and apps use Fahrenheit, so knowing basic benchmarks will help you dress appropriately. American weather vocabulary is rich. A front is a weather system bringing change. Overcast means cloudy with no sun. Muggy means hot and very humid. A nor'easter is a powerful winter storm in the Northeast, and tornado watch versus tornado warning are critical safety distinctions. A warning means one has been spotted. Take immediate shelter. Different regions of the USA have dramatically different weather patterns. Florida is hot and humid most of the year. The Pacific Northwest, Seattle, Portland, is rainy and mild. The Midwest experiences extreme cold in winter and hot summers. The Southwest, Arizona, Nevada, is hot and dry. Knowing the regional weather will help you prepare when traveling. Part 3. Examples and tips. 5 useful examples with tips. Example 1. It's freezing out there today. Did you see the forecast? Tip: commenting on extreme weather is a great conversation opener. Everyone has an opinion about it. Example 2. What should I wear for 40-degree weather? Tip: when moving to a new region, ask locals for practical advice. They know the local climate best. Example 3. There's a storm warning tonight. Make sure you have supplies. Tip: understanding weather alerts, watch versus warning, is a safety skill. A warning requires immediate action. Example 4. The weather app says it'll clear up by afternoon. Tip: American weather apps, Weather Channel, AccuWeather, Weather Underground, are highly accurate and widely used. Example 5. I can't believe how fast the seasons change here. Tip: this is a relatable comment for newcomers and opens a natural conversation about regional weather differences. Chapter 11. Hawaii. The Aloha State Capital, Honolulu. Scenic Highway Highlight. Hana Highway, Maui. 64 miles of winding road through lush rainforest, past waterfalls, black sand beaches, and bamboo groves, with over 600 curves, one of the world's most spectacular drives. 1. Honolulu and Waikiki, Oahu. About this destination. Hawaii's capital city offers the iconic Diamond Head volcano, the World War II memorials of Pearl Harbor, vibrant Waikiki Beach, rich Hawaiian cultural sites, and world-class dining all on one island. Insider tips and strategies. Tip 1. Visit Pearl Harbor on a weekday morning. The USS Arizona Memorial and Pearl Harbor Visitor Complex draw enormous crowds. Arrive at 7:30 a.m. when the site opens. It's free, but passes are timed. Boats to the memorial operate all day, but waits can be long. Tip 2. Hike Diamond Head Crater at sunrise. The 1.6-mile round-trip hike inside the dormant volcanic crater offers panoramic views of Waikiki and the Pacific. Parking reservations are required. Book in advance at the state park's website. Tip 3. Explore the North Shore beyond the beach. Haleiwa on Oahu's North Shore is far more than big waves. The charming old surf town has excellent shrimp trucks, art galleries, tropical smoothies, and a relaxed atmosphere removed from Waikiki's commercialism. 2. Maui. About this destination. The Valley'au combines the world-famous road to Hana, the surreal moonscape of Haleakala volcano, supremely beautiful beaches, outstanding snorkeling, and one of Hawaii's most celebrated whale-watching seasons. Insider tips and strategies. Tip 1. Watch sunrise from Haleakala Summit. The 10,023-foot Haleakala crater at sunrise is a spiritual, otherworldly experience. A reservation is required. Recreation.gov, $1 per vehicle, limited spots. Drive up the night before and wait in warm layers. It's cold at 3 a.m. at summit. Tip 2. Start the road to Hana early. Begin driving before 7 a.m. to reach the famous attractions before tour buses crowd the narrow road. The drive itself is the attraction. Pull over at every waterfall, jungle trail, and fruit stand that calls to you. Tip 3. Snorkel Molokini Crater on a morning tour. This partially submerged volcanic crater hosts over 250 species of tropical fish in crystal clear water. Morning tours offer the calmest seas and best visibility. Book through a reputable snorkel operator in Malaya Harbor. 3. Hawaii, Big Island. About this destination. The youngest and largest island in the chain offers active lava flows, diverse climate zones from tropical rainforest to snow-capped peaks, stargazing at Mauna Kea, and the extraordinary Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. Insider tips and strategies. Tip 1. Drive the chain of craters road at dusk. This dramatic road descends 3,700 feet from Kilauea Crater to the ocean through hardened lava fields. At dusk, the volcanic glow and sea entry, when active, creates an unforgettable, primal landscape. Tip 2. Reserve Mauna Kea Summit Stargazing. The summit of Mauna Kea at 13,796 feet is above 40% of Earth's atmosphere, making it one of the world's best stargazing sites. The Visitor Information Station at 9,200 feet offers free nightly programs with powerful telescopes. Tip 3. Swim with manta rays at night. Kona's night manta ray snorkeling tours are legendary. Mantas attracted to plankton illuminated by dive lights are graceful and non-threatening. It is consistently ranked among Hawaii's most extraordinary wildlife experiences. Thank you for listening to this episode of Maestro Sersea's American English, Culture, and Travel Podcast. Whether you wish to learn or improve your American English comprehension and communication skills, develop an understanding of the United States of America and its way of life, or become familiar with top American destinations, our weekly podcast episodes of Maestro Sersea's American English, Culture, and Travel Podcast will educate, enlighten, and entertain you. Thank you, and have a wonderful week ahead.